Hi, my name's Terrence Roberts. I'm mayor of the city of Anderson, and I'm here today at our Church Street Heritage Park. It's a pocket park right on Main and Church Street, and we're here to unveil the fourth educational box in this series. And today we had a small crowd who witnessed this unveiling. I'm proud to say that if you come see it, it is very symbolic of the pioneers that were on this spot, and in particular it represents hope, and it represents bringing everyone together, and more importantly, as you'll see on the box, it is a representation of one of our council members who's depicted as a child on this box, Dr. Beatrice Thompson, who was the inspiration for what we're standing in right now. So anyway, come down and see it, and I think you'll be impressed.
Yeah, I'm Scott Foster. I'm the lead artist in this project here, the Church Street project. We started a couple years ago, but today we finally finished up the fourth box we call the story box. Now this fourth box is about the history to its completion of Church Street. And what was left to me were memories. And there were memories, good memories, bad memories, but memories of inspiration basically. And so the inspiration has fed itself through the different cities in the state of South Carolina and beyond the world. It has a ripple effect. So I wanted to convey that in some kind of an image. And so to me it was like planting seeds. What kind of seeds? What kind of plant would have seeds that would travel long distance? And my first thought was a dandelion. So then I did research on the dandelion, and what it represents is emotional healing, overcoming hardships, moving on, having faith and belief. So I thought that is a perfect plant to convey this whole idea. I do want to thank the city of Anderson and Dr. Thompson and the mayor, of course, for having faith and belief in me as an artist. What a better project. I may never have something like this again. So I'm very humbled and appreciative of the opportunity.
Oh yeah, I'm Beatrice Thompson. And this is such a special day for me because it represents the beginning of something in my life, which was kind of like a dream. And this is not the culmination, but the beginning of the dream for Anderson and for people of color who grew up here, lived here, and gave so much to this city. And when I see the sign that says we are still here, it means all these black entrepreneurs who had businesses in this city and helped to make it what it is. This is not the ending, it is the beginning of what can be when you actually put your heart and your mind to it. And I am just so proud of this day, and just can't thank everybody enough who supported this. Our city council, our mayor, just everybody who was so proud of not just this, but this starts with the history. How did this start? How did African Americans begin their businesses? Right up down here on Main Street, they started their businesses, and they worked really hard. And the thing that I like so well is how they came together and helped each other to develop their businesses, such as the barber shops, the beauty shops, and so forth. They worked together to support one another. And so this is just a memory of what did happen and the fact that we are still here to represent what they did for this community. And I'm proud to be a great part of it because it was my dream.